Welcome to indefinite integrals, lesson 2, finding the constant, where we've spent some time finding antiderivatives, finding integrals, and having a plus c. Okay, in this case, you're going to be given an original value, and from that you can find the constant. So let's go right on to the first example. F prime of x equals 2x minus 3, and f of 0 is 4. Find f of x. Okay, so you're told that the derivative is 2x minus 3, so that's what we're going to find the integral of. 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, add 1 to the exponent, that's 2, multiplied by the reciprocal, 1 half, so 2 times 1 half, x squared minus 3x plus some constant. That's what f of x equals. And you're told that f of 0 equals 4. So f of 0 equals 0 squared minus 3 times 0 plus c. But you're told that that f of 0 is 4, so replace with a 4 there also. 0 minus 0 plus c. 4 equals c. So f of x is just simply x squared minus 3x plus 4. It really doesn't get any easier than that. Isn't that kind of cool? Alright, let's go on to the next example. Oh no, not e. Find the function whose derivative is 0.6 e to the 3t, and which has a value of 5.2 when t equals 0. Alright, so f of t equals the integral of 0.6 e to the 3t dt. First of all, let's go ahead and move that constant out front, 0.6 times the integral e to the 3t dt. So, normally, okay, just think about this e to the 3t for a minute. If we were taking the derivative of that, we'd end up with an extra 3 out front. So if we're taking the antiderivative, we're going to have to divide by a 3. So that would be 0.2 e to the 3t plus some constant. See how I did that? Hope you did. Because if you take the derivative of this, you multiply by 3 out front, and that would be 0.6 e to the 3t. It does really work that way. Alright, and let's see here. When t is 0, the value is 5.2. So 5.2 equals 0.2 e to the 0 power plus c. Alright, that would just be 5.2 equals 0.2 plus c. c equals 5. So our f of t is going to equal 0.2 e to the 3t plus 5. Hey, this is kind of fun. And the last example, well, you know I have to put a trig example in there, and here it comes. Suppose that g prime of x equals 2 sine x, and g of pi is 0. Find g of 2 pi over 3. Ooh, fun. Alright, so g of x equals the integral of 2 sine x. So that equals negative 2 cosine of x plus c. That's what g of x is. and g of pi is 0. So 0, when I put in a pi, equals negative 2 times the cosine of pi plus c. So 0 equals negative 2 times negative 1 plus c. 0 equals 2 plus c. C equals negative 2. So g of x equals negative 2 cosine of x minus 2. So now we can find g of 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3 equals negative 2 cosine of 2 pi over 3 minus 2. So that equals negative 2. Okay, on your unit circle, cosine of 2 pi over 3. Second quadrant, cosine's negative. Negative 1/2 minus 2. So that equals 1 minus 2. So g of 2 pi over 3 equals negative 1. And that, folks, is about as simple as it gets today. This does conclude indefinite integrals, lesson 2, finding the constant.